Greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So the news that I've updated you today that Kaizer Chiefs have reunited with your late player Jabulo Blom, who returned to the club after his recent stay with St. Louis City FC in the United States. Jabulo Blom, a talented versatility footballer, has signed 1-year loan deal with Amakhosi and will once again don the famous gold and black jersey. The 24-year-old began his professional career with Kaizer Chiefs Youth Development Academy before making senior team debut after being promoted in 2019. He left Amakhosi in January 2023 to play in American Major League (MLC) with St. Louis City. His time abroad has further developed his skill on the field, showcasing his ability to play multiple positions and contribute both defensively and in the midfield. Commenting on the signing of Jabulo Blom, Kaizer Chiefs sporting director Kaizer Motaung Jonas said, "We're excited to welcome Jabulo Blom back to the team. His experience in the MLC and his familiarity with our club ethos making his a valuable addition to our squad. We look forward to seeing his impact on the field because we know how valuable he is to our game model." Jabulo Blom expressed his own excitement about return to Amakhosi. "I am delighted to be back on Kaizer Chiefs, a club that holds a special place in my heart," he said, Jabulo Blom. "And I look forward to working with the team and contributing to our success under coach Nasser Nabi. The supporter from the fans has always motivated me, and I can't wait to play in front of the Khosi Nation again." Jabulo Blom will be available for selection in upcoming matches as Glamour Boys gear up for any important pace of the season. The club invites supporters to join in welcome Stopper back and looks forward to making new memories together. So if you are new here on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification so you're notified next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thought in the comment section.